Welcome dear students. Hope you all are doing good. Today is going to be our first class of English. I'm sure you're enjoying the online teaching learning process that we have just started with. Okay, so today we will be learning children about our first subject. As I told you, it is English. Now I want you all to think about a few values that are important in our life. Okay, let's list out a few: honesty, discipline, love, care, trust, truthfulness, patience. Yes, children, these are a few of the qualities and values that we must have in our life. Okay, now let's study more about the value truth. Yes, children, truth. Your parents always teach us to speak the truth. Right, children? So let's study. Our first poem of today is The Truth. And the name of the poet is Anthony Smith. Who is the poet, children? Anthony Smith. A person who writes the poem is called a poet, and a person who writes the story or a novel is called an author. Alright, children. So we are starting with the explanation by each stanza. Let's come on the first stanza. Say what you want, mean what you say. Remember the darkest lights of the day. Here the poet wants to say that say what you want, mean what you say. Don't copy or speak something that you are asked to speak. Whatever is there in your heart, whatever is there in your mind, you should speak. Remember the darkest lights of the day. When you are caught, and if your truth is caught, children, you will have to face the problem. That's why it is called darkest lights of the day. Alright, coming on to the next stanza. Be who you are, do as you please. The truth is going to bring you to your knees. Yes, be who you are. आप जो हो वो ही बने रहो. किसी को कॉपी करना अच्छी बात नहीं है, children. Be who you are. Do as you please. Do things what makes you happy. Here in this poem, the word please means happiness. The truth is going to bring you to your knees. When you always speak the truth, it will make you humble. It will make you polite. And you will not have ego or anger in yourself if you be truthful all the time. Yes, let's go to the third stanza, children. The truth is that we all need. The truth is the end of a mystery. Yes, everybody wants the truth. The truth is that we all need. Everybody wants to know the truth. The truth is the end of a mystery. Once we all know the truth, it is going to end a lot of puzzles. It's going to end a lot of confusions. Mystery means something that puzzles or confuses. So once the truth is out, everything will be very clear. Yes. Let's go to the next stanza, children. The truth is there out there. You will see. The truth is out there for you and me. Once all the puzzles are solved, everybody will come to know the truth. The truth is out there. You will see. The truth is out there for you and me. For everyone, the truth will be clear. Coming on to the next stanza, children. The truth is out there. The search is not in vain. The truth is out there in the rain. Where is the truth, children? The truth is out there. The search is not in vain. Right? When we are searching for truth, we will definitely achieve the real thing. It will not go in vain. In vain means unsuccessful. हमें सच्चाई मिल ही जाएगी and हम लोग हमेशा successful ही रहेंगे. The truth is out there in the rain means even in the rain we get truthfulness. Coming on to the last stanza, children. Say what you want, but you better believe. Say what you want, but you better believe. The truth is a goal we all must achieve. Say what you want. जो बोलना है वो ही बोलना चाहिए. But you better believe. You should also keep it in your mind. The truth is a goal. Goal means the last thing that we really want to achieve in our life. The truth is a goal we all must achieve. Alright, children. I hope this poem is very clear to you all, children. In the next class, we will be writing the meanings and the question answers. Good day, children. See you. Take care.